and welcome to the very first video of our Kotlin tutorial series. Whether you are new to programming or switching from another language, you are in the right place. So why are we learning Kotlin? So Kotlin is a modern, powerful programming language created by JetBrains. It is the preferred language for Android development, and it is rapidly gaining popularity for everything from backend development to web and cross-platform apps. What is cool about Kotlin is that it's designed to make coding easier, safer, and faster. If you have worked with Java before, you will notice that Kotlin cut down on a lot of the repetitive code. And if you are new to programming, don't worry. Kotlin's simplicity will help you get started quickly. So in this series, we are going to cover everything from basics of Kotlin, like variables, functions, and loops, to more advanced topics such as object-oriented programming and handling errors. The best part, each video will be short, to the point, and packed with examples you can follow along with. So in the next video, we will get hands-on by writing our first Kotlin program. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out. If you are ready to start your Kotlin journey, let's dive into this exciting language together. Thanks for joining me in this first video. I'm excited to help you master Kotlin. So see you in the next one.